Yes, yes, sir. Let me tell you. No, man, they are man that people love this. I know, like, Sergi, yeah, my name is Conrad and Carl is my brother. Got a call at about 3 bells this morning about him being in an accident here on the Melrose Hill. You know,
Winston Jones.
Yeah, Winston Jones Highway.
Right.
To be honest, I am a bit shaken over the whole incident. You know, and it is just, I am grieving because, you know, when I know a man with such talent, you know, and just finding himself, you know, to just break through in life, you know, and to just see his passing, knowing he has a young child as well, you know. So him left him child off and right at this time, you know. I am sad, you know, and I'm really shaken. I tell you, to all road users, if you're tired, don't go around your steering and drive. It's a serious, because my brother now has now become a part of the road statistic. And I'm really, and that's really heartbreaking to know that he's just among the number. He's also a young driver. Not really like he's driving for a very long time, maybe about a year or so since he started to drive, you know. And you can't drink and drive. I am not here to accuse him that he was drinking, but from what I saw, you know, inside the car is a representation that, you know, you go a party, yeah, drink.
He was from a party?
He's coming from a party up there in Banana Ground. That is what I understand. You know, so it's really sad. Him gone already, you know. But I hope other road users, you know, will just, you know, take heed and just know you don't drink and drive. And if you're tired, don't drive. Because